Up for sale today, I got a 1969 Oldsmobile Cutlass S Convertible. Finished in its factory correct color, trophy blue with blue interior, bucket seat console car. I'll tell you more about it. But take the opportunity, click subscribe down below. And I post videos of cars all the time, so you see cool cars like this that I put for sale. Check it out, leave a like as well if you enjoyed the video. And I'm going to take a walk around the car, tell you about it, point out some of the flaws so you can get a better idea of the car. And here we go. So like I said, 69 Cutlass S Convertible. We have the build sheet, 69 registration for the car, dealer bill of sale. I got a lot of original paperwork for the car. The protection manual. I'm trying to think what else. I got a lot of stuff. It's in the picture on the ad. Both links will be in the description to my eBay store and the website. So like I said, it's a 350 Oldsmobile motor. It's not original to the car. It's got an upgraded 442 hood. And it has one little bubble right there. Other than that, no other flaws on the hood. Yeah. Power steering and power brakes, both factory options that are on the build sheet. You actually see all the options that the build sheet had. It's actually pretty intact. There's a little touch up there, and actually that's something I didn't clean off, so that's not a flaw. It's my human error. Real straight body. It's a very original car. There is a crack in the paint right there and a little mark right there. But you open it up and you see a beautiful light blue interior, the blue bucket seats and the console. Nice dash, nice gauge cluster. It was a factory air conditioning car too. I didn't mention that. Factory AC, the compressor's in place, and it is working. Power convertible top as well. It's a very clean white soft top, just a little older. Nice blue carpet. All the windows go up and down properly as they should. Shifts nicely through the gears. It is an automatic, which was the factory option, the Turbo 350 Hydramatic, I believe. Just going off of what I remember of reading. A couple little flaws in the clear right there. Oh, I'm still zoomed out. Nice and straight body, rail straight body. And then other little cracks in the paint. It's an older paint, but it's beautiful. It's very shiny. It is a laser straight body. I'm a little surprised, but there's the trunk, the 442 stripes on it still. It is a real S convertible. Like I said, I do have the build sheet. Chrome is nice. The exhaust is nice. I have the original jack for it. Trunk matte. There is no rust in the trunk, no holes at all. Very clean. Nicely painted. Again, you could take a look at the really straight body on this 69 Oldsmobile S Convertible. It's got the correct rally wheels, which I think give a great look to the car. It was undercoated from the factory, so after, 50 years? Just a little bit of surface rust is on there. Nothing, no rot, nothing like that at all. Another little seam in the paint. Like I said, lots of documentation for the car. So like I said, subscribe to the channel, leave a like on the video. Car will be for sale later today on eBay and my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, excuse me. It'll be priced right, and you can take the opportunity to buy it. So I'll show you the top going up, I'll show you it firing up, we'll take it around the block and you can see that. And it'll be for sale later today, like I said. Thank you.